Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I'm coming to you with a clean with me, a little quick clean with me of my laundry closet. And I would hope you would stay till the end because I'm doing something very special at the end of this video. And if you have read the title of this video anyway, you already know I'm going to do a giveaway. But as you can see here, my little laundry closet needs a little help this morning. It's Sunday morning. I'm watching my church service, one of the church services that I watch, and I'm gonna get in here and do a little straightening up of this space. Now, I've had help here with this laundry. All of this laundry is not mine, but I want to get in here and get all this cleared away on the top of my washer and my dryer. So I'm going to start folding these pieces, and then eventually I will put them, not eventually, I'm going to put them away. As you can see here, some of this is not mine. And I'm going to let you in on a little something something. I really don't do the laundry. If you notice my border, my wallpaper border in this space, it says Kim hates laundry. So I do it from time to time, but my hubby does it. And in talking with my mother-in-law, my father-in-law does the same. So I thought that was cute. But I'm going to finish this up, folding of these clothes and towels and dishcloths that I use in the kitchen. I also have mittens, pot mittens and everything here. I want to get that taken care of and put back in place. I was getting a little hot, so I had to pull my hair back, put it in a scrunchie so I can continue my work. Now these socks here have lost their companion. I really wonder where does the socks go when they come up missing. So I had this odd basket here that actually my sister-in-law gave us over the holidays. We had a Zoom Christmas and all the gifts were put in these Dollar Tree baskets. It's a really neat idea that she had. So yes, sis, I'm using that laundry basket right now. I also washed my face mask. I put them on the gentle or delicate cycle and wash them. So I'm going to put these items away and continue on. So next I have this sign here. I actually took it down to do some things in here, my hubby and I want to hang it back up. And I'm giving you a cheap method of how I hang pictures, period. I put a piece of tape on here, usually a painter's tape, not a clear tape, but use a painter's tape, and put that tape in between your holes or the brackets on the back of your pictures. And it is as easy as that. And then you can nail, if it's not heavy, you can just use a little nail and hang them. If you need anchors, you'll do a little bit more work. But this was just easy. And I use this trick all the time to hang my pictures. And there you have it. My picture is hung. Now sometimes you will need a level. I was eyeballing it, but it looks straight to me, and it is straight. Next, I'm going to tackle this shelving unit. This is new to this space. I ordered it a couple of months ago to actually go in my pantry. I wanted to reconfigure my pantry, and it did not work in there, but it was perfect for this space. And as you can see, we just threw everything in here on it. We were just trying to get it in there and be done. So I want to kind of straighten this shelving unit up, and I'm not done with it. I want to do some other things with it, but just want to tighten it up, tidy it up. Right here I'm thinking about, I have some more jars like this one, so I'm gonna have to go look for those. And I'm just trying to move things around to see what fits where. Now I am a Gain girl. I love the smell of Gain laundry detergent. It smells so fresh to me. What line do you use? Let me know down in the comments section below. I also wanted to tidy up this space because I'm going to the grocery store, and I wanted to see what items I needed. Now I want to move these bleach bottles and laundry detergent up a couple of shelves, and later on you'll see where I moved them. And these products here, these are products that we use in our home every day, so I want my family to have access to them. They don't have to go looking for them. They know that they are right here. Those two baskets up top there, I'm going to replace and get some matching baskets. Again, those jars there, I'm going to go hunt for them, hunt them down in my home. I think I have 2 more. I do have holes to fill. My hubby had to cut the shelf that I had in this laundry closet to put this shelving unit in. And then I had a iron holder there. I took that down, so I have to fill those holes as well. As you can see, the bleach and the baby laundry detergent and bath tissue that I use downstairs are on this shelf, but I mainly wanted the laundry products level with the washer and dryer. Down below again are the products that my family use on a daily basis. So when they run out of the products that they need, they can come and retrieve them here. And of course, down below are my paper towels that I use, that I buy in large quantity at Sam's or Costco's. Now, as you can see here, I'm watching my second service, if you notice that on my iPad. But Christy C has really blessed me with some beautiful things for my laundry room. So I'm making sure I'm putting things out that she has given me. Just like these beautiful containers here. She blessed me with these when she came to visit the last time. And I love these containers that house my Gain. And that other small container captures the lint from the dryer. Guys, I'm basically done, so I'm getting a little praise on thanking God that this is done. Only took me about 30 minutes to do. Those bins over there I'm going to go through at a later date, but like I said, I'm pretty much done with this space. So guys, if you've stayed to the end of this video, I am so appreciative of that. I appreciate you all so much. But guys, guess what? Our family continues to grow. Our channel continues to grow. We have reached over 25,000 subscribers. And with that, I love to do giveaways. And I want to bless one of my beautiful family members with a set of laundry containers. I couldn't find the set that I have, but this set is just as good, if not better. It is better because it comes with a caddy that says fresh and clean. You have a large container as well as a small container for detergent and pods or sheets, whatever you would like to put in them. And you also have a Laundry Deluxe Service laundry bag. Now this set is by Better Homes and Gardens. This set can be found in Walmart. Now, the details to this giveaway. 1, you must be subscribed to the channel, and I will check. 2, you must be 18 years of age or older. You also must be a U.S. citizen. Sorry guys, this giveaway is for U.S. citizens only, but I promise you there will be more giveaways this year, and you will be included in that giveaway. And lastly, if you want to be entered into the giveaway, put in the comments section, "I'm blessed." This giveaway will run for approximately 2 weeks, and I will announce the winner around the 24th of January. So good luck to all who enters. Thank you again for being a part of this family here. I consider you family, and I thank God for each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.